Hello and welcome back, guys. So in this particular session, what we'll be doing is that we'll be computing the interest rate for a loan amount. Okay, so let's do that. So in this case, what I have is I have a loan amount, I have the term in amount, and then I have the interest rate, right? So what should be the payment every month, right? So how much payment should you make to basically achieve this target, right? So right now it's assuming that the interest rate is 0%, right? So the formula, there is a function actually called PMT, right? So if you read through it, it will tell you like it's basically giving out the payment based on consistent payments and then consistent interest rates. Okay, so PMT, and then the argument that it takes a rate. So the rate will always be in annual terms. So we are going to divide it by 12, comma, and per it's like number of periods. So number of periods is 180, comma. So what's the present value, right? So the present value of the total loan. Okay, so it's talking about the loan. So total loan is that much. So how much payments should you make, right? So it will give you if the interest rate is 0%, right? So you have to make a payment of minus 555.56. Okay, it could be dollars, yen, whatever, right? Whatever currency. So you have to make a payment of 555.56, right? So let's say that's achieved, right? So you might want to know, like, let's say I want to make a payment for 900 every month, and then what should be my interest rate, or what will be my interest rate, right? In that case, so you could do that using a goal seek function, which is basically a goal seek tool, which is basically located in data tab in your ribbon. Go to data, then you see a group called logical group, which is called forecast. And within that, you can click on what if analysis, click on goal seek, and then you want to set the value, which is this value, right? So you want that to be consistent, so that value, and then how much do you want it to be? Minus 900 every month. Okay, so it's just 900 every month. And then you want to change the cell. Which cell do you want to change? If you see over here, it says by changing cell, right? So you want to change the interest rate, right? So I click on OK. Oops, reference is not valid. Okay, so what has happened over here is that it should be B4, right? So yeah, that's pretty much it. I'll click on OK, and you see the target value has been achieved. The current value is minus 900, right? So you see the interest rate is going to be 7.02. So of course it's a big digit, so it's just in percentage, and then I have changed the data type as well to make it to be percentage. Okay, so yeah, that's how you can play around with this thing. So you can change the loan amount, term amount, anything. Okay, you could do any kind of changes, but yeah, if you have any confusions when you are doing that, do comment down below. I'll definitely help you out. Until next time, take care. Bye bye.